You'd think living in a Japanese garden would be all peaceful and relaxing, right? I mean, that's what all the humans seem to think. Oh, what a beautiful, tranquil place. It's the same thing day in, day out. Swim in a circle, eat the same food, swim in another circle. It's like a watery hamster wheel. The worst part, hands down, is the posing. The posing! They gather around the pond with their glowing phones. They point, they click, they make those little excited noises. Oh, look at the colors! So exotic. Exotic? I'm not exotic. I'm just stuck. Stuck being a pretty decoration for their vacation photos. Sometimes, I look up at the birds soaring overhead. They can go anywhere they want, see the world from above, feel the wind beneath their wings. If only I could just be lifted out of here. If I were a bird, I'd fly far, far away. I'd know what it's like to be truly free.
I am a leaf on the wind. Watch how I soar. I'm as free as a bird now, and this bird you cannot change.
Oh no! What's happening? I hate birds. And I really hate thunderstorms too.
And I really hate the big city. I gotta get myself out of here.
Okay, that was a pretty big freak out. I guess I overreacted a bit. I guess I'm glad to be back home. Maybe boring isn't so bad after all.